Hey guys, welcome back to CNC Outdoor. We got something super excited today. This is the Bad Boy Rebel X, new for 2024. It's a limited edition, only a couple of them are made. We're extremely lucky to have this in our showroom right now. The one we have in front of us is the 72-inch deck. You can also get it in the 61-inch. So let's dive right in. Engine, you're getting the 37 horse EFI Vanguard. This engine's been around for a couple years now. The advantages of it is it's got tons of power. You start this thing up and it just sounds phenomenal. It runs great. With it being EFI, you're gonna get better fuel economy than a carbureted. You have that paired with the Hydro Gear 5400 transaxle. As a beast of a transaxle, it is gonna power this beast up to 12 miles an hour forward. And this unit almost weighs 1,500 pounds, the 72-inch, whereas the 61-inch weighs about 100 pounds less. The deck, we're right there with it. This thing is a 3-gauge steel fabricated deck. The amount you would have to do to actually damage this deck, I don't think you could. You would have to ram this at 100 miles an hour and it may still go. To go along with that, if you look over on your left side, they did put a nice step-up plate on there with a little grip. So you can step right on this deck. You're not gonna damage it, you're not gonna hurt it, you can step right up there, which is really nice. Some of the older mowers, you don't wanna step on the deck. You get this going on, so that's awesome. Up front, we got the no flats. Yes, those come standard. The no flat front tires paired with the Michelin 24x12 Tweels. And if you know anything about Tweels, you know how expensive they are. You're getting them standard. Advantages of Tweels: never worrying about a flat tire, ever. Never worrying about flat tire. So if you're a commercial guy, you're mowing really rough properties, maybe vacant properties, this is a great mower because you're getting everything that you could possibly want without having to build it. And also at a price point that is phenomenal. Alrighty guys, I'm obviously on the mower. Let's talk about a couple things. First of all, you got your operating arms here. These have new grips on them. It may be hard to tell, but these are extremely thick, they feel extremely durable, and they're smooth. They're very smooth, no noise coming out of them. To go with that, you do have your bolts down here for tracking. So you can adjust tracking right from your seat, which on top of that, let's talk about this seat. Full suspension, you dial it into your weight, adjust softness and firmness, very, very comfortable. Pair that with the Tweels, and this thing rides like a dream. At my footrest, you see here, we got a new pad here. Look at that thing. I mean, it covers the whole entire platform here. This is gonna stop you from slipping. You're getting up on the mower, you know, it's wet out, you're rushing. We've all done it. Hit our knee here, you know, whatever else may be. That is gonna keep that from happening. Super nice. Whereas that also lifts up to show you your maintenance-free spindles, okay? Let's talk operation. Over here, you have your deck height selector, okay? So you're gonna set your height, you're gonna push up on the foot, you're gonna release on the deck lock, and it's gonna go down. Super easy to go back up. You're just gonna kick it all the way up. Over here, you got your key, your ignition. You hear the EFI kicking on. You got your blades. Start your blades, PTO, very simple. Next up, you have your throttle, an oil indicator light, hour meter, and USB charger, as well as an empty slot here. So if you added something like lights, whatever else it may be, you can plug that in right there and have ease over here. On your left side over here, you have a cup holder as well as a large storage space. You know, if you're mowing at the 12 miles an hour, this thing will go. You're probably not gonna want to put anything in here because it's gonna bounce around, but it's nice to have. You also have your fuel fill up right here with your fuel gauge. Down here, you got your parking brake. Very easy, up, very simple. Alrighty guys, at this point, you may be considering the Rebel X. Just to reiterate, you're getting the 37 horsepower Vanguard EFI, you're getting the Hydro Gear 5400 transaxles, again, 12 miles an hour. You're getting dual fuel tanks, you're getting the maintenance-free spindles, you're getting the no flats in the front, and the Michelin Tweels in the back. If any of that helps you, I hope so. This is a great mower. Bad Boy has been very good to us. They take care of their customers, they take care of their dealers, and they stand behind their product. We couldn't be happier to be a dealer for them. So guys, we have these available. Price point, you're looking right around $12,000. You'll have to check with your local dealer to see what they're selling it at, but in our region, you're right around $12,000. We would love for you guys to come visit us. If you liked our video, it would go a long way. If you drop a like, subscribe. We're gonna be dropping videos all 2024. We have some awesome models coming out. And most of all, thank you for watching.